In this video, you'll learn how to recover a disabled Indeed account by adjusting a simple privacy setting in your profile. If your account looks disabled or employers can't seem to find your resume, it's often just a visibility issue rather than a permanent ban. I'll walk you through exactly what to do step by step so your profile can be seen again by recruiters and hiring managers. First, make sure you're properly logged in to your Indeed account. This sounds obvious, but it's an easy thing to overlook. If you're not logged in, you might be seeing a very limited version of your account, or you might not have access to the settings you need. So start by opening your browser or the Indeed app, go to the Indeed sign-in page and log in with your usual credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is the central area where you can see your saved jobs, applications, and recommendations. From here, look toward the top right or upper area of the screen where your account menu usually appears. It might show your initials, a small profile icon, or a label like Account. Click that Account option to open your account-related settings and menus. From the account menu, you want to move into your profile. Your profile is what employers see when they view your resume on Indeed. It includes your work history, skills, and any additional information you've chosen to share. Click on Profile to open this section. Give it a second to load fully, especially if you have a lot of information or if your connection is slow. When your profile page is open, take a moment to look around so you're familiar with the layout. You'll typically see your name, job title, and a summary at the top, followed by sections for work experience, education, and skills. What we're looking for here is the privacy option. This controls who can see your profile and is often the reason an account appears disabled or hidden. Scroll through your profile page until you find the privacy setting. It may be labeled as privacy, profile privacy, or something similar, usually near the top or in a section dedicated to visibility or account preferences. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling slowly. It can sometimes be a bit tucked away depending on updates to the interface. Once you've located the privacy option, you'll see different visibility choices. To recover a disabled or hidden account in the sense of making your profile discoverable again, you want to turn on public visibility. This means employers and recruiters who search on Indeed will be able to find your profile and view your resume. Click or tap the setting that enables public visibility. You may need to confirm or save your changes, so look for a Save or Apply button and select it if it appears. After you've turned on public visibility, your profile should no longer appear disabled to others. Give it a little time to update across the platform, then you can continue your job search as normal, applying to roles and allowing employers to reach out to you directly through Indeed.